First thing we must have in mind is that we have lots of SketchUp models for free in the internet. Okay? I will show you here now one of the best sites. Look, if we Google 3D warehouse, the first result is the official SketchUp page, and this site is great. There are so many brands and so many things you can use for free. You enter in this site, you must create a free account. Look, I will download anything. Okay, let's see lighting. So many options. I will download this one. Look, when you click, you have the option to directly download it. I can download it for many SketchUp versions. I will download it as a SketchUp 2020 model. When I did that, I got a file here. This file, untitled, as a SketchUp file. Let's see what happens when we try to open it directly into 3ds Max, okay? Here we are, 3ds Max, file, open, or you can use import. It doesn't matter. Look, this is the file, untitled. When I try to import it, what happens? Google SketchUp import. Oh, it seems it will work, right? When I click OK, let's see what happens. Look, this is the most common error you will find. Anyway, it can't be imported. And this exact problem has ruined many people's dreams, because they saw all these models and they thought, I can't use it then into Homestyler. This is a pity. No, you are wrong. Now I will show you how to overcome this error, okay? Let's go to step 2. Here's the real trick. All you have to do is open that file with some SketchUp software, and we will use this SketchUp you have to convert the file as another type of SketchUp format. Can you understand what I mean? The newer formats can't be read by 3ds Max, so we have to downgrade the file, and this will resolve the problem. I will show you now. First things first, I want to show you that SketchUp is free, so this will not be a problem for any of you. I want to show you that having to install SketchUp is not a problem, because the software is free. If you go into Google and search for SketchUp free, the first result is the official site for the free version of SketchUp. So no need to worry. You can come here into the official site. It's not pirating at all. And you can download yourself the SketchUp and then we will do the step 2. Let's see, I have it opened here. Look, I have SketchUp 2020. I will open that file that gave me an error inside 3ds Max. Untitled. Okay, as you can see, this model that gave us an error in 3ds Max is opened here in SketchUp 2020. Now is the time to convert it, as I told you before. We go to File, Save As. Look, I changed nothing. I just will save as another version. Not any of these newer versions, but the specific version 8, SketchUp version 8. Look, I will create a untitled V8 here in my documents folder. Save. It does not take long. Look, I can already close my SketchUp. Okay, friends, now that we have converted the file to the correct version, we will open this new file into 3ds Max, and this time this will work. Let's see. Look, here I am with 3D Max open. Have in mind the error we saw when we tried to open the original file. I will go to File, Import, Import. It's the same example as before, the same process. You can come to Open too, okay? Let's see, Import. I want to import that specific file, the version 8 file. Let's find it. Look, Untitled V8. The same Google SketchUp import window appeared where I can select what to import or not. And when I click OK, it has to work. Okay, no error this time. This is too good, right? So friends, the thing is, here you have the SketchUp model downloaded from that great website, which is all free, and now you don't have that error anymore. Having this done, what must one do? Follow the steps shown in the previous tutorial. How to import a 3D block into Homestyler. I hope this helped you. And wait, because I think today I will upload a new video showing how to master lighting inside Homestyler. Stay tuned.